We live in a world where, thanks to cell phones, we take a GPS everywhere we go. This means no matter where we are at, as long as there is a working cell tower nearby, our location can be found. This is exactly what savvy marketers have learned to use to their advantage and why thinking inside the box has become so important. We call that thinking geofencing. Geofencing is the use of GPS or RFID technology to create a virtual geographic border which allows the software to respond when a mobile device enters or leaves a certain geographic area. Depending on how it is configured, a geofence can deliver mobile push notifications, SMS messages, target social media advertising, or provide location-based marketing data. Over time, some falsehoods have risen up about geofencing, and today, our experts at 7 Social want to lay those myths to rest.
According to recent studies, geofencing has been shown to be far more successful than other mobile advertising tactics. For retail and restaurants, the click-through rate for geofencing-based push notifications is about 15%, while for general push notifications it was just around 2%. The attention geofencing can bring to your brand is immense. Consider Burger King's 2018 Whopper detour, where they used geofencing to target McDonald's customers. The result was a 37% increase in the download of the Burger King app and a $15 million sales increase.
Geofences may be utilized without an app by using digital ad networks to acquire clients' latitude and longitude or zip codes. You can then send an automated SMS to potential customers within your geofence. If users do have your app downloaded, it does not need to be running for you to utilize geofencing, so long as the correct permissions are activated. If location monitoring is enabled for the app can use SDK technology to tell if a customer is in or near a store's vicinity in order to push notifications directly to the app. The user then sees the notification pop up on their home screen.
The GPS is not the only way a phone can be used to verify a person's location. The technology frequently uses global positioning systems, GPS, but it may also employ other data streams such as RFID. RFID is a technology that employs electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track tags attached to things. When activated by an electromagnetic interrogation pulse from a nearby RFID reader device, the tag communicates digital data back to the reader, often an identifying inventory number. Although the tag is powered by the signal sent by the mobile phone, because it is not long distance and takes a short length of time, your customers should not notice a significant battery depletion.